Hey guys, Angel here. Today is a fun day because we're going to finally choose the winner of our Chalk Talk shirt giveaway. So this is again from VStore PH. If you want to buy one for yourself or your family, you can check out their Shopee store down in the description. So before I choose the winner, let me thank those who watched the video, who liked and shared the video, because those tiny or simple gestures, guys, really helps the channel a lot. So please do continue to support our channel so we can also have more tech giveaways for you in the future videos. So let's start. So I'm just going to copy and paste the URL right here. Click on filter duplicate users and answer that caption, get YouTube comments, and then let's click start. So let's see who will win. Okay, so here we have the winner. So this is Ira Desiree, and she did typed in the correct comment, which is, if you did watch the video, you wanted to know what your favorite review video is from our channel. So she said she loves a video about Logitech C270. Bought it because of a very honest review. Thank you so much. We highly appreciate that, Ira. So now this shirt is yours. So I'll be contacting you. Thank you and congratulations. See you in the next video.